Guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm about to try something new for the first time, so let's sit back, relax, and watch what's going on. Okay, so we're about to dice up the chicken breast. Small as we can. So guys, I'm about to make chicken quesadilla. So guys, I'm about to wash it with vinegar. Some vegetables. Mushroom. Okay. We're about to season. We're going to use some cayenne pepper, some grace to season. Complete. Dash. Marinate for a while. Rub it all in. This is a piece of ginger, a peck of garlic. And add it to the chicken. Rub them in. Just cutting up some scallion. Some carrots. And then we have some green and red bell pepper. Sorry. And onions. Fry for a bit time. Get a little color. Guys, we're gonna put a little spicy up sauce. Give it a little color. That's gonna pepper. little bit of ketchup. A little bit of honey to add the season. I'm going to toast this a little bit. Guys, some cheese on. Guys, I'm about to taste the chicken quesadilla. Delicious.